Hi guys, Pavel here, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I would like to show you how we can record a screencast on your iPhone. There are special apps of course for it, but there is one actually pre-installed with your iOS if you use the latest version. So there's not really need to install anything, but we need to actually add it first to this area here, which is Control Center. So first go to the settings, then Control Center, customize controls, and if you scroll down you will see screen recording app. So tap this green add button to add it, and if you swipe it from the bottom of the screen towards the center, you will see a new icon here. So that's the app. So to start recording, you just need to tap it once. It will start counting down and the recording will start. So there's like a red bar appears. That means that the recording is taking place. So let's say I will go to, I don't know, Google Maps or YouTube. Do whatever I want. And now to stop recording, go back to the menu, this menu again, and tap again. So there's like a little notification saying screen recording video saved to photos. So if you go to photos, you will see actually the video here. We can play it. I think I went to Google Maps. And YouTube. So as you can see, that was the video I recorded. So I will stop it now. And there's one more thing. If you want to record audio, it is also possible. So if you want to add some commentary, so go back to this menu, and then if you press it a bit more firmly, this icon, there's like a settings area being displayed, and there's like a microphone on and off, so you can decide what type of recording you want to do. So if you leave it on and if you press start recording, now it's gonna record everything with this sound. Again, to stop it again, you press it once more. So that's all for today. I hope you have found it useful. Please let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you very much. Cheers.